What's up, fuckers? Look, got some shit in the mail. Wait, where is it? From Murphy! Tantric Sounds! Let's, see exactly what this is. I already know what it is. But you guys don't. Nice little roll of cardboard. And there it is. This is the Tantric Sounds fucking Vibraflex deadner. Look how thick that shit is. Fuck your 80 mil, bitch. Fucking shit is so cold. Got so much of this shit too. Look how thick it is if you double it up. Yeah. Fucking right. Anything else in this fucking box? Cheap fuckers. Look at all this. Oh yeah. This is all gonna do the roof of the fucking dually. Look at this shit. It's so cold and brittle right now. Fucking cracked. Well, there you go, fuckers. This is the Tantric Sounds 4mm thick fucking dampener, deadner, flex killer, whatever you want to fucking call it. Stay loud, bitches.